Hey guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday at Homegrown Home Sewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. We are starting off with summer, even though it's ending. That's okay. It's Summer in Cotswolds. Doesn't it just make you want to ride through a field of wildflowers? That's what it makes me want to do. Look how pretty it is. And there's a little bit of that metallic and those bees in all four prints, like the little lemons and oh, it's just so beautiful. Okay, so that might be my favorite thing I'm showing you today. Okay, we're moving on to Gradients by Michael Miller. Love your blacks and grays and whites all here and even down here. Wonderful blenders. Then for the men in your life, we have some tools. Look at that. It's called it's called Man Cave. It's like Tim Allen.
Home improvement.
It's called Man Cave. And then we have some other tools up here. And of course, what would be Labor Day weekend without beer? Love it. All right. And then we have a line called Cats in something. But here's the thing. We didn't like the cats, but we really liked the blenders. So we got all the fun blender colors. And then from Andover, we have Sugar Pop. Look how fun that is. Don't you just want to make something fun and summery? I do. Okay, moving on. I'm going to go to Precuts, and then we'll work our way there or something. I don't know. Okay, so you guys saw my Instagram post probably, but we got the Precuts of Bluebird by Adidas Sitar of the laundry basket quilts. We have 5-inch stackers. We have the beautiful fat quarter bundle, as well as the 10-inch squares. So pick yours up because they're pretty amazing. Okay, yeah, we're going to go this way, and then we'll go over there. I'm being whimsical today. All right, we have for your tennis fans, right there. Look how great that is. We have a nephew who plays tennis. Maybe he needs a tennis bag or a tennis bag ball for all the tennis balls.
They expect you to buy the whole boat, Mole. Buy the whole boat. I can't stop. I'm slurring my words.
Okay, this is Andover Little Sweethearts. Okay, this is by Adidas Sitar as well of Laundry Basket Quilts. Look at all those beautiful pinks and reds and just funness. Okay, so, and then we, of course, have the entire Bluebird line that we got the pre-cuts of, which is her blues. Then, keep marching on, friends. We're almost done. Caleb found a nifty tool he wanted to show you guys. It is the Sew Standard Seam Guide. You can line it up with your machine and put your needle through so you know exactly how big of a seam you're measuring. So if you're doing quilting on your on your machine, you can kind of line that up, your 1/4-inch seam, all sorts of fun things. Okay, come with me for some books. We restocked Third Time's a Charm because y'all buy it all the time. We have Flea Market by Lori Holt. Love that spiral bound. I'm a spiral bound kind of person. And then, I don't even need to show you the inside. Welcome to Woodberry Way. The outside is so pretty, you don't even need to see the inside. Okay, I'll show you the inside. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to need that book. Isn't it delightful? Okay, one last thing I think. We do now have the complete line of Chalk and Charcoal by Robert Kaufman. Great blender. There's now 63. We had ordered them all and only got half. We finally got the second half, so there are 63 bolts in this line. So we really like that, and you will be seeing it in some of our bundles coming up. Okay, so happy Labor Day weekend. We hope you guys have a safe, fun weekend. We are live this weekend, though. We usually don't do lives on holiday weekends, but we decided because we're off the 12th for our daughter's birthday, we go on this week. So it'll be a smaller show. Bundle, there will be some sales. We'll have bundles, of course. And then, should I tell them what we're going to have?
Sure.
We're going to have lots of kits, and they're all except 2 are going to be discounted because they're brand new kits. Well, one's not new, but we can't discount it. The other one is brand new, and you guys are going to love it. So we will be having bundles and kits, 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the Fab Stash show, and that's all. Go have a good weekend.